There are two kinds of fear that live in all of us. One is fear of failing, and the other is fear of regret. The fear of failing tells you to stop. It makes you doubt yourself. It says, what if you mess up? What if people laugh at you? This fear keeps you from trying new things. It makes you worry about mistakes before they even happen. It tells you to stay quiet, to stay safe, and to stay small. But there is another fear that comes later. It is the fear of regret. The fear of regret doesn't speak loudly at first. It waits, it shows up after time has passed, after you didn't take that step, after you didn't try, after you said no, when your heart wanted to say yes. Regret comes quietly, but it stays longer. It reminds you of chance missed, of times you can't get back. Both fears are real, but only one help you grow. Fear of failing may protect you from a few hard moments, but fear of regret reminds you that life is short. One day you will look back, and the question will not be, did I fail? The question will be, did I even try? Every failure teaches something, but regret leaves you nothing but pain. You can recover from failure, but regret stays in the heart. You must choose which fear will guide you. The fear of failing leads to life of what if. The fear of regret leads to action. It pushes you to be brave now, so you would not have to feel sorry later. Success is not just about winning, it's about showing up, it's about trying, it's about giving yourself a chance. Even if you fall, at least you know you had the courage to try. Do not let the fear of failing stop you. Let the fear of regret push you forward. Every big dream needs a little courage. Every step forward begins with the decision to stop being afraid. You do not need to be perfect, you just need to begin. The future is built by people who try, not people who sit and wonder. One day you will be older. You will remember this time. Make sure you remember that you were strong enough to take a chance, that you choose action, that you didn't let fear win. Because the pain of failure is temporary, but the pain of regret can last forever. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to Mr. Sketch.